this brand that we have in Khan Market by the name of Anglo, this concept was like we were sitting chatting, and there were so many restaurants that were flooded in Delhi, and we wanted to create a unique experience. We started off our operations in the year 2019 February. We gave the complete, if you look at the interiors of this entire place, it's completely designed as if you're sitting in your own house. You come, you can read a book with us, enjoy the best of the cocktails, the best of the food with us. So our USP is Anglo-Indian food. So the concept was how the Indian food went through the British era, transformed. So that is the exact fusion that we wanted to give to our guests walking into Anglo. We also added Lebanese and Italian food to our menu to satiate the taste buds of everyone and give them a wholesome experience. Our signature dishes are avocado toasts, crock-pot roast lamb, Andhra prawns, pesto lemon chicken. If you're walking into Anglo, you should definitely try our cocktails, and some of our in-house made cocktails with secret recipes are Anglo spice and ginger fume. So our target market is primarily everybody who walks into Anglo. The concept, the design, the ambience was done in a way that it should not be restricted to a certain age group. We wanted to get an experience which everybody from all age groups can relate to, whether they are Indian, they're expats, they're coming from abroad, they want to enjoy the Indian cuisine, the British era concept, the ambience. So we never wanted this to be a restriction for anybody who comes into an Anglo and says that this place is not for them.